Hello and welcome back. Today we're looking at another set of fountain pens from Fivebelow. With this set, you will receive 8 pins in a rainbow of colors for just $5. Compared to a pin in a recent video, it is quite a bargain considering that one didn't even write particularly well. Taking a closer look at one of the pins, they are made of an extremely lightweight plastic. The clip, while functional, feels like it could be easily broken off if you tend to fidget with it. The cap is a rather loose-fitting snap cap. Removing it will reveal a tapered white section which has grooves molded into it for added grip. Each one of these pens comes with a matching colored ink cartridge. So let's take one of these pens for a quick writing sample and then a summary of my thoughts on these pens. Getting 8 of these pens for $5 is a decent price of its own, but if you look on the back of the box, you'll notice that they list the size of the cartridge, which just so happens to be Standard International. So you're able to pick up a converter and keep using these pens well after the ink cartridges have run out of ink. Overall, these pens aren't particularly stand out in any way other than quantity, but at roughly 70 cents a pen, they wouldn't be a bad option to toss in a bag as a backup that you don't mind if it gets beat up or lost. You could also use these as a decent option to penable your friends.